Welcome to Siargao in Philippines. Siargao is the surfing capital of Philippines. Surfers from all over the world come to Siargao, specifically General Luna, to experience its great waves. Cup3 is one of the best-known waves with thick hollow tubes. The name comes from a local chocolate bar, Cup3, which is the most available food that surfers could easily buy when surfing started in the area several years ago. On May the 2nd to the 6th, 2017, is the 9th Siargao International Women's Surfing Cup. A total of 24 competitors come from different countries. For example, Australia, France, Japan, Indonesia, Brazil, and Philippines. For this year, Australia dominates the competition. Both the winner and the second placer are young Australian surfers. Australia Philippa Anderson has taken out the inaugural World Surf League sanctioned Siargao Women's International Surfing Cup held in Cup3 foot wave at the perfect right-hand reef of Cup3 in the Philippines. The 35-minute final was an all-Australian affair, with Anderson coming up against West Aussie Michaela Green. Green controlled the heat for the majority of time, consistently posting mid-range scores to hold the lead. On her way to the final, Anderson had to overcome local standout Milby Blangada, a tough task with a large home crowd cheering on the Cup3 specialist. Michaela Green's second placing here continues her good form this season, and she will leave this event with confidence as she attempts to qualify for the championship tour with a number of major events. As the first ever WSL sanctioned all-women's event in the Philippines, it was regarded as a huge success by competitors and officials, who eagerly look at returning to the paradise location of Cup3 in September.